Getting it all ready, Danny.
Yeah. Take the chute off, put it inside for the rain last night.
Oh yeah. Yeah, just kind of walking around while you do that, getting a little video. Took pictures earlier. Had this car shipped all the way from Hawaii, didn't you?
Yeah.
I thought that was the story you told me.
Yeah.
I try to remember everybody's story, but people like you.
I was going to road race it. Decided not to. Because, road racing, you have to burn up a lot of tires.
Yeah. You.
Expensive, so I thought, I don't want to do that.
That gets expensive, huh? 82, right? 1988. Same body style, but I was off. But God, he's got them pipes. Pretty darn cool. Old Danny Bird. You're showing you're only as old as you feel. Old Danny, he's young at heart. Gets around here better than guys like me.
I'll be 84 in November.
84. 84, and he's shooting for 190. Well, you'd like to have 200, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
We got 188 last time.
Yeah.
Here a couple months ago. That's weird about, it's usually I see you in May and then it's so far away, but now it's so quick, with this new one. It's like, man, didn't I just see you? Yeah, I did just see you. Yeah, we're looking forward to you going down there. I'll make sure I get some good videos of you this time going down. I'll be down the track a little bit too. I shouldn't have no problem getting everybody this time. He said there's supposed to be 25, but I think we're only about halfway there right now, ain't we?
I really don't know.
Yeah, I counted like 12 or 15, somewhere around there. Just guessing. I'll go around and count the cars and then I'll let you know. How's that?
Okay.
Getting off here, guys. Keep being you. Oh, thought that was the driver. Car took off without him. He's gone. Getting our next one lined up here. Hopefully by later on the day I'll have all the names right. Here he goes. Usually they tell the speed unless there's something wrong. I didn't hear the speed of the last one. I'm good with cars, but I'm not putting people with cars, but faced with cars, but not their names. And I hate it because I know this guy. I talked to him. We've interviewed him. He's a heck of a nice guy. There he goes. Yeah, I thought. Oh, getting the turbos primed, huh? That thing sounds like it's geared high, taken out in the rear end, but low geared in the tranny. But I'm just a spectator. What do I know? You guys tell me. I'm sure they'll get the speed force in a little bit. Guys are getting the slips, but they'll get it figured out where we can get it across the speaker here soon. It's not easy setting one of these events up, man. Steve Strupp, man, he's got a tight family friend crew there, man. They do a heck of a job here. And he's missing a few where this is a new one in 4th of July weekend. Steve Strupp, when I was doing the Great Race there in Marietta High, working with, well, they got a problem, working with Great Race in Marietta High. Steve got a hold of me and he's like, Chip Fudge, yeah, something happened. It's like, Chip Fudge driving a silver Maserati needs an alternator bracket welded, aluminum. It's aluminum, special made. Can I get someone to get it done when he gets to Marietta? And I made sure it got done, and he kept on and finished the race. Yeah, Chip Fudge. I want to say Chip Foose. Chip Fudge. Yes, Chip Fudge. Got his deputy sheriff here with us today. Something dropped or something happened because he had to go. There he comes. Must have been something on the track. Mr. Danny Bird right there, 84 years old, driving that 88 Camaro. Went almost 190 miles an hour here in May. And it's a rattle can. You know, until you get up close to it, you think, what? I love it that he did that. Keep being you. Let's go over here and talk on another video. Danny Bird, 84 years young right there. And his 88 Camaro. He got this thing in Hawaii, was going to go road racing, and decided to take up land speed racing just last year. And yes, guys, that's rattle can primer. I love it. I love it. There's only about 25, supposed to be 25 here. There's only about 14 cars and 4 or 5 motorcycles right now, so where it's a new event, July, there's a lot of room for these guys to go up and down. one of my favorite cars here. Might be my favorite driver here right now. And he did 188 here in May 2 months ago. He's shooting for 190. He had to step away where he couldn't hear around Danny's car. Clear. They gotta wait till the car gets, you know, coming down, curl off the track and making 2 right turns down the entrance lane to get back where they let the next one down. Oh, I love that sound. Oh, I love that sound, Mr. Danny Bird. Check out the pictures of this car. It's cool, man. Like I said, I love it that they just rattle canned it. Rattle can paint job, I mean. We're gonna put some GoPros in the car here tomorrow, if not today. Clear the lane, guys. Sit there and get hot. I'll tell you, we got a breeze going. It's perfect. Wind's blowing the right direction for a tailwind, just to maybe give them a few more miles per hour, or then a few more tenths they need to get to that next mile. There was records, a lot of records set here last October because of that. Very strong tailwinds. Plus had a good turnout. Horsepower harvest, I think, is the biggest one of all 3. It sounds good. I would have stopped it and started when he took off, but I keep thinking it's any second, because usually I'll tell him to shut the car off. But there maybe it's one of them where he needs to jump it or something. On them real high performance motorcycles, they bring the portable starter up to start it. Looks about like a little generator or something. You guys that knows what I'm talking about, tell old Hillbilly Willie. Got the E.C.T.A up here. E.C.T.A? Is that how you say it? E-L-U-C-I-D? Electric car. Went over here. He had one like that. It's a different collar. It was all one collar. Didn't have that collar top on it. Same car. Went 212 or something like that. And the batteries got hot. Shut it down. Thing about it, when it takes off, you don't hear it. It's kind of cool. But I like my old stuff, guys. Only thing I don't like about electric cars is how they're trying to push it, make it everything, and old cars gone, you know. I don't like that, but yeah, I'm not against them. I'd take that money and buy me about a, let me see, $500 a car, 1,000, probably 200 junkyard cars. What that costs, 100,000 probably or better. It's around 100,000. It's up in the 70s or 80s. This one's a little bit more. It's got the gray on the top and along the bottom. It's got a different set of wheels on it. They're both brand new, 24.
Oh, okay. That makes more sense. It's still cool. I just think I was like, this one's kind of red. I don't remember it being red. I like the color. Yeah, the one in May, I was just where'd it go? I like that.
I think I gave him the clear to go. Waiting on the clear. I haven't got this one run yet. Just watched my buddy Danny Birdie in 188 in that 88 Camaro. And he beat it in 190. Hope this guy beats his record. I love it when these guys beat their records, trying to get to the 200 or 250. Little hesitation in the shifting there. Here he goes. Oh, what's that whine on that thing? Slow start. Now he let off it for some reason. Now he hit into it. It's an electric car. That thing sneak up on me. That thing sneaks up on you. You can't hear it after you listen to all these other ones. Huh? All I hear is when it takes off the tires. I love that. I'm gonna talk to you about it later on when you ain't busy. If you don't care. Always enjoy talking to you. You always give information, and You don't act like I'm bothering you. Here he goes. Listen to it. All you hear is the tires hitting the gravel or the pavement. See? What'd I tell you? You don't hear nothing but the tires. And it is gone. Yeah, I love that. All you hear is the tires, man. On the pavement. Yeah, you don't hear nothing else. You don't hear that on the other cars. You don't pay attention. On that one, you actually hear the tires. I bet that was a good run. It sounded good. Well, I wish I could say it sounded good. I couldn't tell. It looked good. Yeah, the guys that usually come, like Shade Tree Mechanics, my wild bunch from Lexington, Kentucky, Rabbit Foot Racing out of Iowa, all them wild guys I like talking to, hanging out with, they're not here this time. We got kind of a gentlemen and ladies racing today. Going all the way through. He did. He's a man of his word. Oh, that's the one she told me about, 161, I think.
Okay.
She just told me, because I just asked. But he slowed down. He wasn't doing, she'll tell you in a minute. So he went 161, second time ever driving. Well, it was the first time he did 161. It's his second run. Tell them guys, let me get in there and try it. They've already got the car in. All I gotta do is put my suit on. Got that in the background. Got all kind of things to see here.